Good afternoon, guys. I am in the backyard in the jungle with the plants, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick plant that I got. So I was able to attend TPIE in Fort Lauderdale last week, which is the Tropical International Plant Expo, I believe. And there's vendors there. You get to meet them, talk about things, see their pricing lists, also what they have on offer. Towards the end of the event, kind of the last day, some of the booths do start to sell some of their plants and things. Some sell their booth altogether and just to someone, whoever, and then some sell off here and there. So I was able to get this really cool bonsai for really cheap. I know some other places probably would have sold it for a good couple $100, if not more. So I'll show you my new little bonsai adoption. All these pedestals were on the side of the house, but they've been moved over here for the bonsais right now because they were not getting adequate light due to the change in the light. Most of these were ones that I got as pre-trained. Some of them I'm working on, but this big mamma jamma is the one that I got. And I have really big hands, so this thing is ginormous. There was actually another one. I almost bought both of them, but I didn't because, you know, hashtag broke. But this thing is pretty awesome. So all I know about it is that this one is somewhere between 20 and 30 years old. This was grown as a bonsai. It's not a field harvested one where they just kind of chopped off the top or whatever, which those are really cool too. I'm not hating, just saying this one was kind of worked on since its infancy, I guess you could say. So I got this guy for a song and a dance, and I am so happy about it. My mom already wanted to take it inside to put it on a table, and I was like, Mom, it's not gonna get enough light. But this thing is gorgeous. And just so you can see the underside, it is really pretty. So what I want to do is maybe kind of adjust the inside, pull it together a little bit more, and kind of work on the ramification and get it to look like I want, as I think it's covering itself a little bit too much. But anyway, we got to think of a name for him. Also, look at this. The oxalis are blooming. Aren't they so cute and dainty? The white one's blooming too. This area got cleaned up. This was like the garbage corner. I tried to pull as much out of there as I could. These guys are on the ground because they're about to get watered and fertilized, and those guys are actually going back inside where they were. But this is how things look right now. I will reorganize the table again. I think my mission for this year is going to be to attend more plant expos and events and things like that, because like you find the coolest stuff there. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the wonderful weather, clear skies. It's been kind of cloudy the last couple days, so it's nice to get a little bit of sunshine, and I will try and make something else that's interesting.